Do you want to have these kind of views? I don't know how long you want them to have. So let's take a try. Okay, we go to Fliki. We start for free. This is an AI tool that can give you a lots of advantage to every YouTube creator or content creator in this industry. So I'm gonna give you guys a heads up. This is an AI tutorial. You go to Fliki to get your videos, go to ChatGPT to get your script. So we're gonna do exactly that in this video. Are you guys ready? So we're gonna try this. So make me a story about anything that can build 1000 characters and make yourself part of it, like a horror story. So make it so believable that I will post this on YouTube and this will be my story. You can always just do anything and just give ChatGPT anything you want, opinion or anything. AI can understand everything, so it may be hard for some few, but their ChatGPT AI, Elon Musk really did this for us to gain advantage and make a hell out of lots of money. Or I don't know, man, you should be able to do this for free. So we have this kind of story now, and we go back to Fliki. We go back here, we make an account, but I don't know where the account is. I'm really trying this now, so we're gonna make a new file. Oh, here we go. We go click the account again, so I'm not really sure what's happening at me at this kind of time. So I'm just reading what's in this. So yeah, we go to profile, we go to Fliki. Where are we going? A new file. Okay, new file. Dialect would be United States. File name is a scary movie. Language is English for sure, of course, and you should click that video or audio file. Okay, so yeah, we make the aspect ratio and what we're about to do. And for this I will have a short, but yeah, I will have an aspect ratio of short, as this will be our platform for reels, shorts, YouTube. So at first we use the stock library to get this kind of scary songs. You can also get this in the YouTube music library. It's all free, royalty free music. So yeah, you should get a scary tone, so this will be your background for the video itself, and let the AI work. But of course I will teach you what's happening in here and how we're gonna do this without making so much time, and just let the AI do everything for us. So in here we're getting the script of ChatGPT story, and we're making it we're copy pasting it in our Fliki. But sometimes in order for you to get more better, if order for you to get better, you should paraphrase what ChatGPT gave you, so you have an odds or you have a better kind of script. Depends on how you want to take it to your subscribers or your content audience. So basically we're repeating everything in here, copy pasting the script, putting it on Fliki, so the voice AI will do its work. Also, this kind of AI also give everyone the subtitles they need. It has auto captions on it. That auto captions is what you see on shorts, that the word per word subtitles goes per second. This is what they are using, so I'm giving you everything you need. This is what everyone will want in order for them to create the content, and in order for them to make the best out of YouTube. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, I don't know, you name it, whatever platform you want to be, maybe a Rumble because of Tap G, but whatever it is, it's your choice. Who cares, man? So basically what we're doing here is we're auto picking the layout. This is the video AI. AI is giving us a lots of information and choices to pick with. But if you're this lazy and I'm showing you how it's done, you're gonna pick that auto click, and that kind of video will pop up on what the script is. So AI will generate a video or get something from any platform that is free, that is copyright content, and whatever suits for the script that you put in that scene, that AI is giving you that much layout based on that script. Do you get that? If not, you should repeat this at, I don't know, it's been 5 minutes now. So go back to 3 minutes and watch it again, you know. But whatever it is, I hope you understand that, because this is, you know, in Reddit, it's Ellie5. Explained like I'm 5. This is it. This is explainable at 4. Sorry. But do you see that? Did you see that? Look. Look how he does that. We're gonna put anything. Are you ready for you know, a scary story? And did you see how the subtitles work? And how subtitles are auto-generated, word for word, are in that video? Because this is what they use. Short videos from the video itself is very easy. AI is making a huge advantage of us. So let's watch it again and try to make this better. But no, we're gonna download it, because who cares? You know the gist, you know the idea, you know everything that should be happening in here. So who gives, right? Who gives? But yeah, I should download it and show you how to download it, because I don't know if you know how to download things. So you should pick that download, yes, and download, and you will be queued. This is better because Fliki will give you an email if the project is done, and you can just download it after, because you can just go back to this account and download it after they queued it and convert it to whatever platform, to whatever file they want to convert it. So yeah, let's fast forward to the processing, and we're gonna go to the end time. Okay, fast forward, done. Okay, we're done processing now. Success. We're gonna download it because that's a dog. I don't know why that AI picked that for our scary movie. So you know, make it the best script for you in order for the AI to give you the best kind of video for it. So I'm gonna share you another feature of this Fliki. This is an idea to video feature. Give me 5 facts about marriage. So this will AI will come up with a story about the idea you gave it. I don't know, but it's gonna come up. It's gonna give you a story for it, and you know, it's idea to story. It's a self-explanatory, man. Should be a entertaining video, not some kind of used you ask me. So if you ask me anything, you should leave down a comment, like, and subscribe for more video of this. We're gonna talk way more of this, because this is a training. This is a 2 year course, and you're gonna learn everything I do and I did way before, and I get $1 million bucks. You know, this is so easy. This is just what I did before, and I gained so much. And also I lose some because of crypto, but still, money is just paper.
Are you ready for a scary story that can tell you not to sleep? In the quiet town of Willowbrook, nestled at the edge of a dense, ancient forest, there stood a dilapidated mansion that bore the weight of a sinister history.
Money gives us anything. Ciao! Are we done? Are we done? Okay, we're done.